Hello my viewers. Well, this is a Holden Torana. It's an Australian built car. This one's been sitting here for about 3 years. It's got a little 4-cylinder engine in it, unfortunately, not the 6. I've just stuck a battery in it, checked the oil and the water, and I'm going to try and start it. You see all the cobwebs and everything. Oh, let's see what happens. Yeah, how disgusting this thing is. Hopefully the fuel's not completely screwed. It's automatic. Gas pedal works. It's got power. Been sitting for 3 years, that's a long time. Oh my God, it started. Oh, that was fairly easy. You can depend on your Holden, even though it's got an Opel engine in it. I'm quite amazed. I didn't put any petrol down the carby. It's got a mechanical fuel pump. Oh, cobweb. Fiddly car. Had a bit of damage on this side, but I'll get that fixed. We'll give it a wash. It's running like the day we left it here. Thank you for watching.